Here is the beginning of Christopher Nolan's Memento. And just in the first couple of minutes of the movie, you want to know who this guy is. Is he a good guy? Is he a bad guy? Guys everyone, welcome back to yet another video. I'm Neat, and I want to help you create better content with your camera and how to edit them. So better picture, better video, better content. And so today, guys, we want to talk about 3 tips that can enhance or level up your content as you create them with your own camera. But before we talk about those 3 tips, just really quick, I need to tell you something, and I promise it's going to be very quick. What is a great content anyway? And it can be very subjective, but for me, I want to use the word memorable. I mean, a content that made an impression so much in my brain that I'm like, oh yes, that was a great content. So for me, I use the word memorable, but what about you guys? Let me know in the comment section, guys. What is a great content to you? And you see, something is memorable, unforgettable, because it made you feel a certain way. When you watch a good movie, when you look at a nice picture, when you look at a nice art, all these emotions, sadness, tears, all this stuff makes a great content. But here's what I found out, guys. The best way to make people feel a certain way, to make people relate to the content that we create, is storytelling. The more relatable the story, the more relatable the content. So because you want to tell a story as a content creator, the first tip is know your hero, know your subject. Who are you shooting? What are you shooting? Yeah, we're talking about camera, right? It doesn't matter what camera you're using, your phone. And the hero can be anything. It can be a person, it can be, it can be a plant, it can be anything. The people that are watching, the people that are looking, the people that are consuming your content needs to know who the hero of the story is. All right, guys, let's go back to Memento really quick. And as soon as you see the first scene, here are a couple of questions that you will ask. What's his story? How can I relate to him? To tell a story, you really have to have a main character, a person, an animal, or a thing. The second tip is composition. Know where to put your subject. Composition is very important, guys, because composition can help you really tell the story. Sometimes if you want to show authority, there is a certain way to put your subject just to show authority in the story. This is a shot of Queen Elizabeth I in another movie. And to show her authority, it's not just about the posture or the clothes that she's wearing or the way she sits. It's also the angle of the camera. The camera is pointing up, showing that she has that authority. She's above everyone. She is queen. I'm not going to go deep into this one. I'm going to do it in another video. But yes, the second tip is know where to put your hero. Know where to put your subject. Okay, last tip, guys, last tip. The third thing is know how to light your hero. Okay, so let's look at these 2 pictures really quick, guys. On the left, you have a mysterious person, the Godfather. And really understand him, you should be cautious because he's so mysterious that you don't really know what he's gonna do, and you should be afraid of him. On the other side, on the right side, you see this guy just laughing and maybe, I don't know, celebrating something. But the lighting is different because the flatter the light or the less shadow on the face of the subject, the happier the mood of the picture will be. And depending on where you put the light and how you shape the light, you can express sadness, you can express mystery, you can express anger, and different kinds of emotions. Composition helps you tell a story, but lighting also most definitely will help you tell a story. If you guys like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe because we're gonna do some more of these. And I just want to give a shout out for those of you guys who've been supportive of this channel and the content that I'm creating here. And I'll see you guys in the next one, hopefully. Peace.